Today we're here to try this hot chocolate bomb, and it's in the shape of a mummy's head. Take out the hot chocolate bomb and drop it in your cup, and then pour in 6 ounces of hot milk. The hotter your milk is, the faster your hot chocolate bomb will dissolve. It's starting to open up. The marshmallows are coming out. Get all the chocolate mix to go into your milk. Yeah, it's a nice tasting hot chocolate. So anyways, I'm going to give this one an A. It had a very cool mummy head in it, and then the hot chocolate itself is really good. So I'm going to take another sip, and I'll see you in the next one.